Hey everybody, we hope you're having a good Friday. We are back with another video, so check it out and let us know what you think. Hey everybody, it's Courtney and I'm with Anderson today, and he's going to show us the next step after forming. So Anderson, what is the next step here? What is your first go-to once the metal comes from forming?
So as you guys seen, you got to see some stuff getting cut on the plasma table. You got to see it getting rolled and formed. After it was formed and rolled, it was all tacked together, made sure everything fit. Once it was tacked together, we brought it back here, put it up on the table, and from here we'll just get it ready to weld, and we'll get it welded up from here. Once we have all the components welded up, we'll put them all together to make sure it fits. We'll disassemble it again, send it to paint, bring it back over here for final assembly.
Okay, can you show us a little bit of your welding process?
Sure, I'll get my stuff on and I'll show you how it goes. So we got everything ready. We have our MIG welder set up where we want it, and climbed in here, and we're getting ready to start welding on this.
So that's all of this welding video. We hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks Anderson for taking the time to show us.
You're welcome.
Hey, so we hope you liked that video, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you could just leave us some comments to let us know if you kind of like these videos that we're doing, and maybe if you'd like to see something else. Thanks.